Good morning, students. This is continue. We are continue with the 2b exercise. Question is, if 3 raised power x plus y is equal to 81, 81 raised power x minus 5 is equal to 3 raised power 8, then find the value of x and y. Always try to procure number according to the base given in the question. So we know that 81 is, if you multiply 4 times 3, then it will be a 81. So that's why we can write it as 3 raised power 4. Similarly here 81, and you can see this is 3. So we have to convert 81 as per the this base. So we know that 81 is again 3 raised power 4. Now base cancel, then x plus y is equal to 4. We are not going to be cancel like this with the pen, or just we will leave the base. Fine. Now this is property that m into n. So you multiply with 4x minus 4y is equal to this. Base is finished. Now we have to compare these two equation. So we take it as 1, we take it as 2. So we have to cancel one variable to find the value of other. So what we did, we multiply this with 4. Multiply this with 4. So it become 4x, 4y and 16. Fine. And this will remain as it. Now when we are going to be calculate this, so plus and minus, so it will cancel. 4 plus 4, 8, 16 plus 8, 24. X is equal to 24 divided by 8, that is 3. Now we will put this value again in this equation, or your wish you can put in this equation also. You will get the same answer. So this is easy as comparatively to this, so that's why we will choose this one. So put the value of x, this is 3 plus y is equal to 4, so y is equal to 1. Now the next question is 0.04 whole square division 0.008 into 0.2 raised power 6 is equal to 0.2 raised power x. So we have to find x. So we have to apply BODMAS. Fine. So first of all we solve this bracket, we get the answer. Now division, so that's why we divide it first. So how we solve it? We solve it like this. I multiply with 1000 and 1000, so this decimal can be removed. So when you multiply 0.008 with 1000, you get only 8, and here because after decimal we have 4 digits, so that's why answer will be 1.6. When you cancel this, you get the answer 0.2. We know that in our right hand side we have 0.2, so we have to make all our left hand side as according to the this base. So now bases are same, its power, if no power is given then power is 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Again base is same, so that's why power are going to be compare. X is equal to 6 plus 1, 7 is your answer. Now if next question is 25 raised power 7.5 into 5 raised power 2.5 divided by 125 is power 1.5 is equal to 5 raised power x. So it's mean we have to convert all our left hand side according to this power. Fine. So 25 is what? 5 square. 7.5 can be written as 75 by 10. So 2 5s are 10, 5 15s are 75. Fine. And 125 is 5 raised power 3, means 5 cube. So multiply this. What we get? Here we get only 15. This is 2.5, and after multiplying 15 3s are 45, that's why this is 4.5. So you can see the base are same. Here is multiply, it's mean power are added. Here is division, it's mean power are subtracted. Fine. So we get the answer as 5 raised power 13, same base, so power comparison. So you get the value of x. If 3 raised power this, 3 raised power this is equal to 90, find x. So you have to use your brain very wisely. So now we are going to be the conversion. Like your first law is a raised power x into a raised power y, then it is equal to a raised power x plus y. Now we have to break this. So this is minus, it's mean you can write 3 raised power x into 3 raised power minus 1, because when you add it, it will become x minus 1. Similarly, we break this 3 raised power x, 3 raised power 1. 1 you are writing or not writing is not a big deal. So 3 raised power x is common. What we get? 3 raised power minus 1, or you can say 3 inverse, and 3 is equal to 90. By using law, this become 1 by 3. After, by taking LCM, 3 3 is the 9, 9 plus 1 10 by 3, 10 by 3. So now doing the, whenever you have multiply, it will when you shift it to the right hand side, then the values reciprocal will be there, or you can say it will change to the, it is going to be divide this. So now 3 raised power x and reciprocal of this, so 3 by 10. Fine. So 10 9s are 90, you get 27. Again we have to change our 27 as the base, as according to this base. So this is 3 raised power 3, you get the value of x as 3. 25 raised power x, 125 raised power y, then x ratio y we have to find. So we compare it like it is given in this. 25 is 5 square. So 5 square 2 into x is 2x. 125 means 5 cube. It means 3 into y, 3y. Base is same. So 2x is equal to 3y. So now we want x ratio y. It means x should be numerator. So x, so we shift this y, it will divide. Then we shift it to here. So we get 3 by 2, it is 3 ratio 2. This is your homework. Always break your number according to this denominator 4. Try to think over it. So you can cancel like 27, 3 raised power 3. So you can cancel 3 by 3. 32, 243 according to the power 5. Make a small factor with using LCM. 64. 64 is the power of 2 also, is the power of 4 also, is the power of 8 also. Okay. So if you use power of 8, this is more benefit because the denominator of this fraction is 2, because 8 square into minus 1 by 2. 32, 2 raised power 5. So try to do your questions by yourself, and please ask your questions or any doubt in my number. Tomorrow class is off, so please do your work wisely. Thank you. Have a nice day.